Hey YouTube, this is Abdel Carfix, and today I want to talk about this Mustang 2015 5.0. The car was thrown in two codes, 171, 174, no vacuum leak. We did smoke test, we did check all the hoses. We also checked the MAF sensor. Um, Long-term fuel trims were 29%. We tried to try a few things, and they stayed at 20. Best I can get them down to 26. So I knew something was going on with the fuel. So I decided to put the scanner. The scanner was giving me fuel pressures 20 psi. I knew that was too low. I also put a pressure gauge on the fuel line to the engine, and that what came up with the about 18 or 19. So I knew we gotta go after the pump. I did the pump on this car, and now everything back to before that. The car was throwing the codes and was struggling to stay running. Now the car runs pretty good after new fuel pump. Guys, the fuel pump is easy to do on this cars. You got a seat in the back. You got a couple of clips on the bottom, right in here. You pop on each side, and then you have the fuel pump on the behind. There's two modulars in here, but you want to go after the one behind the driver. That's the pump. The other one is just transfer pump. You transfer from one tank to the other. It's like divided tank. So the pump, basically, there's a cover. You pop it, and then this is the pump. What do? You take the ring off, you pop this one. There's one connectors in the back right here. That connector on the bottom of the pump, you just pull the hose. You can pull it. You pull the hose and just press the tab and disconnect it, and then you pull the whole pump out. You put the new one in, and once you put the new one in, what you need to do is you put the ring back, and that should be good to go from there. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel.